So let's start with the number 2. So here goes 2, 8, 12, 28, then 52, and then back to 8. So there are some loops of cube numbers which are even numbers whose value is even more than 50. So 4 goes to 64, then 64 goes to 44, 44 goes to 84, and 84 goes back to 4. Well, this 84 goes back to 4. This thing only happens with multiples of 4 only. So it does not work with it works with multiples of 4 only. Now here comes the number 6. 6 goes to 16. 16 goes to 96. 96 goes to 36. And 36 goes to 56. And 56 goes to 16. Okay, so this is why this loops of cube numbers always works with multiples of 4. Then after that 8. So that's just the same like Collard's conjecture. 8 goes to 12, and 12 goes to 28, and 28 goes to 52, and 52 goes back to 8. That was the same thing, the loop with 2. I made this video loops of cube numbers, even numbers, because if they're greater than 50, now 10. So 10 is nothing but basically a bunch of zeros. So let's skip that and go to 12. So 12 goes to 28, 28, 52, 8, and 12 back. Now here comes 14, 44, then 84, 4, then 64, and then back to 44. So this does not work with multiples of 10. Then the next number is 16. So the number 16 goes to so the shortest loop is the next. So 16 goes to 96, 96 goes to 36, 36 goes to 56, and 56 goes back to 16. That's the loop of cube numbers. I'm taking their cube's last 2 digits and then cubing them. So this one 18, this is the first shortest loop in this video, because 18 goes to 32, 32 goes to 68, and 68 goes back to 32. So 32 and 68 will still be stuck forever in this loop. Now let's go back to 22. Now let's go to 22. 22 goes to 48. 48 goes to 92. 92 goes to 88. 88 goes to 72. And 72 goes back to 48. This is why this trick works with multiples of 4. Now 24, that's just a trimorphic number. So let me skip that. Even though I'm also skipping 26 because it happens 26 and its last 2 digits of its cube is 76, then 76, 76, 76, 76. This is why I'm skipping 24 and 26 and going on to 28. So 28 goes to 52, goes to 8, goes to 12, goes back to 28. So this was the loop. Even though there's a lots of skipping numbers in between. After that is 32. 32 goes to 68, and then 68 goes back to 32. That's the most shortest loop of even numbers. So another two loops like these are 7 and 43, and also 57 and 93. But they are odd numbers, right? Now let's go to 34. So 34 goes to 4, goes to 64, goes to 44, goes to 84, goes back to 4. Because because non-multiples of 4, which are even numbers, they take 5 loops, and the last loop takes place of the second loop. Then next one is 36. So in the number 36 goes to 56, goes to 16, goes to 96, and goes back to 36. Then after that, 38 goes to 72, goes to 48, goes to 92, goes to 88, goes back to 72. This is the loop. Now 42. Here 42 goes to 88, goes to 72, goes to 48, goes to 92, goes to 88. The first one, okay, so there's something difference between the first loop and the fifth loop, because the first loop is 50 less than the fifth loop. Then after that goes to 44, goes to 84, goes to 4, goes to 64, goes back to 44. This was the loop that was going to happen. Then 45, no, not 45. Okay, 46 goes to 36, goes to 56, goes to 16, goes to 96, goes to 36. So this was the loop of even numbers. So now next one is 48, goes to 92, goes to 88, goes to 72, and goes back to 48. After that, we are going on to 52. Okay, 52 goes to 8, well, that was just the end of this video, because we have done until this 50. Because the cubes of even numbers, they have the same digits as 50 less than them. For example, 52 minus 50 is 2. Both 52 and 2, their cubes are ending in 8. And 54 and 4, both their cubes are ending in 64. In the last 2 digits, I'm telling their formation. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.